Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about what I do to make sure that my eggs are super duper yummy, and I'm sure it'll help you guys as well. So let's start. The first thing that you need to do is you need to get eggs that are from happy chickens. By doing this, it's going to taste so much better because you know that it comes from chickens that are happy. What I get are ronddeel-eieren, which means ronddeel eggs. That's like a concept that was started by Wageningen University in the Netherlands, and it's really great. It's like better than letting the chickens free roam and stuff because they have it's like a round shed, and it has like a night area and a day area, and when it rains it's covered, and when it's sunny it's not covered, and they have like fake trees and like tables and stuff so they can hide under it. Why that's better than like just letting them go outside is because chickens are very scared of like predatory birds, so that's why they tend to stay near the edges of barns on the outside, or like if there are trees and stuff they'll go under there. By like placing the artificial trees in that kind of shed, it's just they're just like it's just so much better. Okay, so there are like way more good things about that ronddeel shed, but I don't really want to get into it because it'll take like forever, and I don't want to like bore you guys. But the thing is, if you really like animals, it won't bore you. So, but I'm just gonna put a link in the description below of like a Dutch site, but I'm gonna also look for like a site that's in English. Hopefully that exists. So yeah, so you can like read more about it. It's just great. It's just wonderful. It's like, yeah, it makes me like really happy that they do this kind of stuff. They should do that more for pigs and stuff as well, and fish, because fish are neglected. Trust me, everyone's like, oh, cows and chickens. Fish are like treated like plants. It's sad. It's sad. It makes me angry. Okay, so we're not going to be all negative today. Okay, so this one comes in like 3. Look how cute it is. It's so cute. I also have a package of 7, so I'm gonna go quickly grab that. I mean, isn't that cool? It's round. I'm a sucker for cute packaging, so companies that want to do great things for animals, do it in cute packaging, because that's really gonna help. At least I'm gonna go buy it. Okay, enough about that. Let's get started. We have 2 eggs in here, and now we're gonna mix it with a fork. Okay, after mixing, it looks like this. It looks kind of gross, but that's just how it is. I can't help it. If it grosses you out, don't subscribe. Yeah, now we're gonna add some spices. Okay, I added the salt and pepper. As you can see, I added quite a bit. It's already mixed, so that's why it looks like it's not so much, but if you look closely, you can see it's kind of everywhere. The reason why I do this before I cook it is because then I feel like the spices are like more infused with the eggs, okay? But wait, don't like start cooking now, because now we need to add some paprika powder and maybe some cayenne pepper powder. The reason why I do this is because otherwise it tastes boring and bland, and you are what you eat, and you don't want to be boring and bland, okay? So yeah, make it extra spicy because we all need to spice up our life. Okay, so now we're gonna add the paprika powder. And you just gotta keep slapping it. Like you're slapping someone's butt. Okay, don't go slapping someone's butt. Bad advice. Don't get advice from me. Okay, and then I have like this special mixing technique, but you don't have to look at that. It's not mixing with Iris. Okay, it's not enough. We want it to look like those Japanese eggs. And what I mean with that is, in Japan, they feed the chickens pepper because they like to have darker egg yolks. But don't worry, the chickens can't really taste the pepper because apparently they don't have taste buds, but I might be wrong on that. But yo, see, even the Japanese people know you gotta spice up your life. Okay? So, yeah. Now it looks like it's going somewhere. Now we add some cayenne pepper. Not so much this time. Just a little bit. Like that. And we mix it some more. Okay, so now to make it extra fluffy, you're supposed to add milk, but I don't like milk so much, so I do almond milk. I don't know if that makes it any fluffier, but I'm just assuming. I add about that much. I don't know how much that is. Just, I guess if you're good at physics, you can calculate that. You mix it some more, and then it looks like that, and that's how you know it's done. Okay guys, another thing is you need to mix it really, really well. You basically need to aerate it, so like lots of little bubbles inside. And keep doing that until like right before you put it in the pan. That makes sure that it's like fluffy and yummy. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm not going to show you how to cook it because there are enough videos online that show you how to cook it. But I guess if you want to see me cook it, you should let me know in the comments below. Yeah, so basically, get your eggs or all your produce from Happy Animals. Make sure that you put enough spices in there, otherwise it's bland and gross. And also, I guess, add some milk in there, or almond milk, whatever floats your boat. Okay, so yeah, subscribe if you like animals. And if you don't like animals, I told you not to subscribe, so don't do it, okay?